So, ladies and gentlemen, we want to again thank you so very, very much. Before the fireworks begin, we'd like to do one more song, and we'd like to send it out to the men and women who serve in our armed forces all over the world this evening. It is their sacrifice to give us this opportunity to get together here in Stoughton and celebrate our country's birthday. So please keep them in your prayers, ladies and gentlemen, and remember them always, because they sacrifice a great deal. We're going to do this song for them, and we're going to do this song for all of us. It's our song. It goes like this. Oh, beautiful, for heroes proved in liberating strife, who more than self their country loved, had mercy among their lives. America, America, may God thy gold divide, turn all success nobleness and every gain divine. Now everybody sing it with us. Oh, oh beautiful, for spacious skies.